Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to solve Feb March 2021 paper, and that is for documentation production Microsoft Word. So let us start this task. We'll start with the task 2, documentation. You are going to edit a document where the paragraph styles have been applied. Some of these styles will need to be edited. Use a suitable software package. Open the file called M21 lab prac. Okay, so to do this we will go to our support file folder, and we will open the file M21 lab prac. All right, so now done. Enable editing. Next, what I need to do next, save the document in your work area as a M21 lab work. Control C and file, save as confidential file, and Control V and save as a Microsoft Word. Save. Next, take evidence. Yes, you can just simply go to file and save the document, and in this way you can take the picture and paste it in your evidence file. Next, set the page size to A4. Okay, let me go to layout and size, and in the size is A4. Done. Next, page orientation is portrait. Done. Next, the top margin is 3 centimeter and all other margins are 2 centimeter. Okay, to do that I will click on margin, custom margins. Okay, top margin is 3 centimeter and rest all are 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay, we need to make it all other are 2 centimeter and press OK. Perfect. Next, take an screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Okay, so now here what you can do, you can simply click on margins and take the picture and paste it. Next, place in a header of the document your name, center number, candidate number, left align. All right, Tawara University as a center align. Okay, Control C, and last image is at right align. Left align is your name, center number, candidate number. So to do that I will go to insert, header, and here we have 3 categories, so I will use 3 category. Okay, voice header, so Control V. First is the name, left align. Is it left align? Yeah, left align. Name is ABC underscore, center number is IN123, and the candidate number is 1234. All right, now in the center we need to type Tawara University Science. Okay, so Control V, center align. Now next, last is the image. Here I would like to insert the image. I select the last option, insert picture from this device. Okay, so now we will go to our support file folder in the desktop. Okay, where is this? Here, and then this is the M21 image. Oh my god, it's big, right? No problem. Align and resize to 2 centimeter wide. Okay, so now let me go to right click, and the width is 2 centimeter, and then expected ratios are long. So perfectly fine. Done. Next, in a footer, automated page number, left align, and file name with full file path is right align. So to do this, what I have to do first is automated page number, left align. So now I will go to insert. Okay, page number at the bottom is left align. Done. Yes, and then file name, file path, right align. Now I will use this. Just keep a tab for a second and then type file name. Okay, where is the document info? Yeah, here from the document info, file name, and then file path. Okay, and it should be right align. Just use the tab option. Yeah, perfectly fine. Double click. Done. Now next, all items are aligned to the page margins. Perfectly fine. All items are properly aligned. Yes. Next, No other text wrap placeholder appear in the header and footer. Yes, only the name, center number, candidate number, and the details is been placed. No header and footers are overlapped. Nothing is overlapped. Clearly we can able to see. Next, headers and footers are displayed on all the pages. Yes, we can see display on all the pages. Okay, so now let's go to the question number 5. The house style specification of paragraph is shown in the table. This table have seen the correctly applied to the document, but do not put. Okay, so here what they are saying, so but do not match the house style specification. So all right, so now what they are saying, house style specification paragraph is shown in the table, but the problem is these styles have been correctly applied, but it do not match the house style specification. So now we need to modify it, identify the correct, the two style that do not match. So we need to identify out of 1 2 3 4 5 which are those two styles which is not properly matched. Okay, so I will start with, let us start with lab title. Okay, so now to do that I will go to styles. Okay, we need to start with the beginning. First is the lab title. Lab title, right click, modify. Okay, what is given in the lab title here? Say sans serif means Arial. Yes, it is Arial already. 20 is the font size. Yes, it is 20 is the font size. Center align, alignment is center, clearly seen. Single line spacing, yes, single line spacing. After is 12, after is 12. Here you can see, students, you can see clearly here. Okay, and based on normal, yes, based on normal, and it also has a all capitals. Yes, it is all caps. Perfect. So one is similar, we do not have to change anything. And second is lab subtitle. Lab title is correct. Now let's do the modification or cross checking of the lab subtitle. So now lab subtitle, right click and modify. Okay, this is lab subtitle. Now let us see, sans serif is Arial. Arial 18 points. Yes, 18 points here. Right align, yes, we can see here right align. Single line spacing, yes, 12 points. 12 points after, yes, 12 points after. Next is enhancement is none, there is no bold and italic. Yes, we can see here there is nothing bold and italic here. Next, okay, what is next? Yeah, perfectly fine. So this is also correct, we do not have to do any changes. Now next is lab subheads. Now where is lab subheads? Right click and modify. Okay, so now here it is serif Times New Roman. It is Times New Roman. It is 14 points. 14, yeah, it is here also 14 points. And it is bold and underline. It is bold and underline. But here you can see it is italic also. So remove italic, put bold. Next, single line spacing and after 12. So here it is 14 points. To modify it, click on format, paragraph. Okay, and here it is 14 point. Okay, and single line spacing, 14 points and single line spacing. Press OK. Right. Next. Okay, sorry, here is 12. Sorry, one second. So the 14 points is the font size, it is correct. And here it is after is 12, not 14. So let me fix it. Yeah, you need to be very careful while doing this. 12 and press OK. So we identified this lab subhead is having some technical, okay, issues. So which means we need to fix the styles which will meet the requirement of the document. Okay, now let's go to the next lab body. Okay, so to do that, where is the lab body? Here, right click, modify. Okay, in lab body, here it is given Times New Roman. Yes, it is serif Times New Roman. Perfect. And what is next? 12 points. Here it also 12 points. Justified, single line spacing. Okay, based on normal. Okay, so here, okay, so justified is not mentioned here. So let me go to format. Here also one more problem. So this is general. In general it is should be justified. text alignment should be justified and press OK. Perfect. Okay, now here also we find out another style which is having a fault. Next, okay, 1.5 indentation, which is also not there. Format, paragraph, indentation is here. You can choose to, okay, indent to 1.5 line. Okay, line spacing is 1.5, and then 0 and 12, 0 and 12. So here student, one more issue is the line spacing, which is 1.5, and single, not single line spacing, it is 1.5 and then 12 after, and then press OK. Perfect. Okay, now we modified it, press OK. So now this is the second issue. Now last, lab bullet. Let me check the lab bullet is also correct. Right click and modify. So now this is lab bullet. Sheriff Times New Roman 12 points, 12 points. Left is 0.25 inches. Hanging is 0.25. Hanging is also indentation, they give us in centimeter. Yes, okay. And line spacing single space. Okay, so now to check this indentation, we need to cross check with the indentation one more time. Okay, so now format, okay, paragraph, okay, here it is. Okay, so now enhancement is a round type of bullet, okay, which is already there here, but we will try to fix it out. Okay, the other points, bullet indentation. Okay, so now here indentation is, okay, indentation is 0.6 from the left. Okay, so now 0.63 centimeter. Here also there is some changes, and from the left with the hanging indentation. Yeah, hanging indentation is already there. Okay, and indentation of width, hanging indentation of 0.63 centimeter. Yes, perfect. Okay, now press OK. Now what is it they are asking us to do? Format to, yeah, it is already hanging. So here you can see, when it is converted into inches, you can see 0.25, perfectly fine. Now last is what here they said, the bullet indentation. So let me go to numbering. Okay, bullet, and then here it is, yeah, it is bullet, perfectly fine. Okay, yeah, we do not have to do any changes. So here align and perfectly done, press OK. So these are the two, lab subheads and the lab body. We need to modify it, yes, perfectly, and we already modified it. Okay, identify and the correct two cells, and yes, these are the two lab subheads and lab body. You can say it's a wrong one. So take a screenshot to showing the two identification. So student, what you need to do is that simply you need to, this is also correct. Okay, subheads, you need to right click on subheads, and okay, so here in the subheads you need to right click or simply click on modify and take the screenshot and paste it, right? So all right, so done. Yes, these are the two. Okay, now next let's go to the next question. Enter your name immediately after the subtitle, okay, which is guided produced by. Okay, so now let me go, guided produced by, your name ABC. Okay, immediately your name only, yes, ABC, fine. Now next what we need to do, okay, here, okay, done. So now change the page layout so that the subheading, okay, vernier scales, okay, where is vernier scales? From here, okay, till the following text display in a two equal column, okay, between them. Change the layout so that the subhead, vernier scale, and all the following text. So from here till the bottom, okay, from here till the bottom, okay, I selected and go to layouts, okay, column, more column, two column. And what we need to do, in two columns 1 centimeter spacing. So here in spacing 1 centimeter, and then press OK. Perfect. So this is how you need to do it. Next. Okay, apply a AP bullet paragraph style to the text lab workbook. Where is it? Here. This is from the lab work is an evidence to A4 size. Okay, where is it? We need to identify it. Yeah, here. The lab workbook evidence till down. Okay, what we need to apply? We need to apply this. Okay, till the notebook 4. So I selected this. Now apply lab bullet. Perfect. Done. Next, format the paragraph that start with there are just some of the items. Okay, there are just some of the items. Okay, so there are just some of the items. Okay, what is it? One second. There are just some of the items. Okay, so control F, THER. There are just some. Enter and enter. Okay, select here somewhere and there are just type. Okay, so now again one more. Control F to find the text. So now I'm going to copy and paste it here. Control V and enter. So here is that text. Okay, they are just okay. A indent 1 centimeter both from left and right margin. So this complete paragraph has a indentation. So right click, paragraph, indentation is how much dear here? 1 centimeter from both left and right. So left is also 1 centimeter and right is also 1 centimeter indentation, and then press OK. Perfect. Next, an external line black border. Okay, so now let me put a border to this. So we will go to home and here and the border, outside border. Next, what I have to do, black color. Okay, a light gray color background fill. So to do that I will use the paint color bucket and put it here. Next, what we need to do, done. Now find the bracket text in the document, insert into tutorial here and make a bracket and the text as a bro. Find the bracket text. Where is it? Okay, so we need to find out. So now let me go down. Okay, it is better to find from here. What is the text? Insert link to tutorial here. So control V and enter. So here it is, insert link. Okay, what we need to do this. Okay, find the bracket of the document and make this bracket and the text bold and italic. Okay, so bracket along with the text, I have to make it bold and italic. Control B and control I. All right, bold and italic, done. Now next, spell check. Okay, so now to spell check it, what I need to do, again Fn plus F7 to check. Yeah, my micrometer spelling is wrong. Okay, again it is wrong. Okay, multimeter spelling is wrong. You need to check and verify it. Okay, so connecting perfectly fine. Ignore the now. That's it. Now close it. Yeah, instruction, yes, perfectly done. Tutorials done, and spell and grammar check is completed. Perfect. Now next, there is no widows and orphans. Okay, so right click here in the paragraph and go to line spacing, remove the widows and orphans and press OK. Next, list are not split. Let me check list is split or not. Where is the list? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is not split. Perfectly fine. Next, spacing between the all items are consistent. Yes, perfectly fine. We can see here. Next, documents are completed in a paragraph intact. Yes, all paragraph intact is perfectly maintained. Save your document and print your document. All right. So students, we are done with this task. Okay. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.